Hello everyone, today I have brought to you this amazing WhatsApp AI agent that I have created to automate my travel agency's business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And in here you can see this is the setup where I have created this amazing WhatsApp AI agent. And to create this AI agent, what all I needed is just a knowledge base and a subscription of Pabbly Chatflow. So without any delay, let me show you a real-time example of how this AI agent will work. So for that, we will go on my WhatsApp account, and inside here in this chat I will send this particular text message hello, and after that you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will get triggered instantly, and it has sent me this welcome message. Hi there, welcome to Vendor World Travels. Where would you like to go next? Choose from our top travel themes. So I can either choose these following themes, or I can directly ask any question which I want to. So I will ask one question, send me new travel offers, and our AI agent has replied me instantly with these current deals with this package included in this. So now I will ask one more question, and inside this I will ask show hotel options in Phuket, and after that you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will again reply me instantly, and this time it has sent me this message. Here are a few great stays in Phuket. So you can see whatever question I will ask my WhatsApp AI agent about the travels, then this WhatsApp AI agent will instantly answer all of my queries. And with the help of this WhatsApp AI agent, I can also book my tour. So for you, I will ask one more question, and this time I will send this particular message, book this particular package for me, and you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will reply me instantly with booking options. And here you can see it has sent me this message, awesome, please confirm the following details for your booking. And now if I want to book this particular trip, then I have to enter these following details, and then I can easily book this particular trip with the help of this WhatsApp AI agent. So you just saw how useful this AI agent can be in our day-to-day life for our businesses. So now I will help you create this amazing WhatsApp AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So to start creating this, we will go on a new tab and we will enter this pabbly.com/chatflow, and after pressing this enter button, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where on the right side we have got these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing AI agents and WhatsApp chatbots. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before this, let me tell you some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts, and here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. And now, being an existing user, from this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this sign in button, and after that I have got directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so I will click on this access now button inside this particular box, and after that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and you can see we are inside dashboard. And the first thing that you have to do when you are inside this dashboard is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and you can select any of these two given methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that we will add link of those particular videos in the description box of this video, so you can go and check these videos there. And after you have added your number, to create a WhatsApp AI assistant, you have to click on this AI assistant feature inside this particular left column, and after that you will see that all the AI assistants that I have created for myself are now visible here. So you can see this is the exact same AI agent which I have shown you the real-time example for. So first of all, I will deactivate this AI agent from here, and after that I will click on this add AI assistant button to start creating a new AI assistant for myself. But before that, I will give a meaningful name to my AI assistant as this AI assistant for travel agencies, and then I will click on this add AI assistant button. After that I will get directed on this particular AI assistant page, and in here I have to work on these 4 following fields like AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface and styling. And these are the only steps required to create this amazing WhatsApp AI agent. So first of all, we will work on this AI instructions. And in here for this instruction type, when I will click on this drop down, you can see I will select this particular instruction type AI agent because I want to create this AI agent for myself. And then you can see inside this instructions, this role and constraint has been written by default. So if you want to change anything or if you want to include anything else, then you can just type down that particular thing manually inside this box. And this instructions will help your AI assistant to respond to users, and this include the key information like audience, purpose and style to customize the assistant. And then for this AI configuration, you can see for this temperature, this 0.5 has been set by default. The temperature means that how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So for that, to maintain balance, it has automatically set this temperature at 0.5. And after that, for the select AI to use, I will select this open AI, and then for this model I will select this GPT-4 Omni for myself. And then for this API key, you just have to click on this hyperlink given here. After that, you have to log into your OpenAI account. So you can see as I have already logged in, so I will directly click on this create new secret key, and then I will give a name to my secret key as this. And after that, when I will click on this create secret key, you will see that my secret key has got created successfully. So now I will just copy the secret key from here and I will paste it inside this API key box like this, and then click on this connect button. And here our OpenAI key is saved successfully. So now for this AI assistant settings, you can see there are these 5 toggles buttons given to us: this header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempt, fallback message. So if you want to use any of these following features, then you just have to click on this button, turn it on and enter the message inside this particular box. Or if you do not want to use them, then you just have to click on this button to turn it off. So you can see if I want to use this header message, I will turn it on. If I want to use this footer message, I will turn this on. If I want to use this stop keyword, and this stop keyword is like the keyword which my user can enter to stop getting replies from my AI. So you can see if I will enter this particular keyword stop and then press this enter button, then after that, whenever any customer will type down this particular keyword stop in my chat, then that particular customer will stop getting reply from my AI agent. And you can see as I do not want to use this, so I will turn this off. And for this retry attempt, inside this particular box, you can add in range of 1 to 10 retry attempts for your customers. But for now, I will turn it off. And this fallback message, this will get delivered to your customer whenever the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. And with this, I have successfully completed this particular AI instructions. So now we will move towards our knowledge source. So in here, we have to upload a knowledge source file, which must include FAQs, company background, and more that your chatbot can utilize while answering questions. So in short, that particular knowledge base must include every minute details about your business. So you can see inside my Google Docs account, I have created this particular knowledge base for myself in which I have added all the details about my business. So you can see from this file here, I will download this particular document in this .txt format, and then you can see I will click on this save button, and here my knowledge base has been downloaded successfully. And inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, you will see that this accepted formats for this particular file are .txt or this .pdf. So you can see as I have downloaded my file in this .txt format, so I will paste my file inside this particular box like this, and after that you will see that my file has been uploaded and processed successfully. Now we will move towards this assistant interface, and in here you can change how your assistant will look. So for this display heading name, you can enter your brand name inside this particular box. Like you can see, this is my brand name, so I will enter it here. And for this display subheading name, we are online and happy to assist you is written by default. You can see this is how your subheading name will look, so I will let it remain as it is. And for this initial message, you can see you can add 2 initial message inside this particular box. This first message is already entered, so if you want to enter one more message, then you have to just type that particular keyword and then press this enter button, and here your second message has been added successfully. And you can see this powered by Pabbly is written here. So if you want to enable or disable this, you can choose any one of these from this drop down. And you can see this privacy policy, which is actually a hyperlink, and you can create this by typing down the text inside this footer text box and typing down the link inside this particular footer link box. And you can see for this user's first message, this I need help is written. So if you want to change this, you can also change this. But for now, I will let it remain as it is. And now we will move towards our final step. This is styling. And in here, I can style my WhatsApp AI agent. Like I can change the theme to light or dark. I can change the shape to circle, square or rounded square. Or I can change this background color or this chat bubble background color or anything which I want to from this particular styling box. But for now, I will let them remain as it is. And with this, I have successfully completed the creation of my WhatsApp AI agent. So now I will just turn on this AI agent from here and I will click on this Save AI Assistant. And after you will see that our AI assistant is saved successfully. Now if you want to use this particular AI agent from your website, then you have to click on this embed button, and then you just have to copy this script from here and you can paste this script on your website. Then this particular WhatsApp AI agent will work from your website. And now as I have successfully completed the creation of my AI agent, so I will go in this inbox and I will assign this particular AI agent for this particular chat. And for that, I just have to click on this button, choose AI assistant. And then from this drop down, I will select this particular AI agent, which I have created for myself. And then I will click on this save button. After that, you can see my AI assistant is enabled successfully for this particular chat. But I know that you must be in doubt that if you are required to enable manually this AI assistant for each of your chats. But no, that's not the case. If you want to enable this particular AI agent for bulk of your contacts, then for that, you just have to go on this settings features, and from there you have to select this inbox settings. And inside here, you have to scroll down to the bottom, and after that, you have to click on this enable AI auto replies. After that, from this contact list, you can select the contact list which you have created for yourself and for which you want to enable this particular AI agent. And if you want to enable this AI agent for all of your contacts, then you can simply select this all contacts. And from the second box here, you have to select the AI assistant that you have created for yourself. And after that, you have to click on this save button. And here our inbox settings are saved successfully, which means that this particular AI agent is now on for all of the contacts on this particular list. So now, as this particular AI assistant for travel agencies is active, so we will go on my WhatsApp account and there we will check again if this WhatsApp AI agent is working or not. So inside this particular account, when I will send this particular message hello, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly and it will send me a welcome message. And here this AI agent has sent me this message, hello, how can I assist you today? So I will now interact with this particular WhatsApp AI agent and I will send this particular message, I want to plan a trip. And after that, this AI agent has replied me with this message that sound exciting, where are you thinking of going and what kind of trip are you planning? So I will send again another message as this suggests a family vacation under rupees 50,000. After that, we will see that what message our WhatsApp AI agent will send us. And here you can see this WhatsApp AI agent has sent me this family vacation list under a budget of 50,000. So you just saw how easily I could create this amazing AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow that will work instantly whenever any customer will ask any question to this particular AI agent about traveling anywhere in world. So I will advise you to go and create this amazing AI agent for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create various WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.